there's a holiday, you really miss him. Panyabot has a young brother. So, hello guys, morning, happy Sunday. So now this is the way going to our mission work and Takeo. It's so good because we find a progress. They're preparing the road for, I think they gonna make a concrete road here. So this is blessing. You can see on how God prosper the place when his people are working and or using the area. We used to come here, Manchester, this village. I think it's almost 5 to 6 years maybe. But this area is already cemented. Oh, they're there. So this is the Brick Takeo local church.
That's the only one available. Enough now. Cause look, that's the only one that's available. Truth is nobody and Frably. That's all.
So they're cleaning the